Hello students, I want to start the first chapter of standard 8th mathematics, that is rational numbers. In my previous class, I just discussed about types of numbers, definition of rational numbers, laws of rational numbers, properties of rational numbers. Up to this I have discussed in my previous class. Now today remaining points are representation of rational number on number line and rational numbers between two rational numbers. These 2 points I am going to cover today. Okay, fine. Representation of rational number on number line. So you know very well about number line. It has 0 at the center, and on the right hand side positive numbers, left hand side negative numbers. You know this very well. But here not the whole numbers, these are the rational numbers we are representing here. Here is one example I have taken, that is 5 by 3 and minus 5 by 3. As I told, these two are the absolute numbers or absolute values, means these two numbers will be at the equal distance from the 0. So how to represent these two numbers on number line is the question here. First of all, you observe that 5 by 3 and minus 5 by 3 are more than 1 but less than 2. Means they just lie in between 1 and 2. So here, when I write this 5 by 3 in the form of mixed fraction or rational number, 1 integer 2 by 3 I will get. In the same way on negative side, minus 1 integer 2 by 3. So first step is what? In order to represent 5 by 3 and minus 5 by 3 on the number line, we draw a number line and mark a point 0 on it to represent 0, means at the center. Step 2, since 1 integer 2 by 3 and minus 1 integer 2 by 3 lie between 1 and 2. First one I said they lie in between 1 and 2. And minus 1 and minus 2 respectively. Therefore, mark the points A, B on left hand side and C and D on right side of 0. Such that A, B, C and D represent minus 2, minus 1, 1 and 2 respectively. You can see here. Here it is 0. This is A, B, this is C, this is D. There are here minus 1, minus 2, plus 1, plus 2. And this rational number lies between minus 2 and minus 1, and this 5 by 3 lies between 1 and 2. So as we are getting here a rational number, we have to observe first the denominator. Denominator is 3 in both the cases, right? So we have to divide the second second division into 3 equal parts, means 1, 2 and 3. How much is the denominator? That many divisions, equal divisions we have to do, and then from 0 to minus 1, that is 1 whole, and then next part is lying between minus 1 and 2, that is here 1, 2, 3, these 3 parts. So where is the 5 by 3? Where it is 5 by 3? See here. Here 1 integer 2 by 3 minus 1 integer 2 by 3. So second division what we see, that will be the 5 by 3. Here see. From here it will be 3, then 4, then 5. Understood? This is the point where we are going to indicate, that is minus 5 by 3, in the same way on right hand side. This is the method how to represent the given rational number on number line. Next, one more example. Represent 11 upon 4 on number line. In the same way here, 11 upon 4 is a positive side, it is on positive side, and when we convert it into mixed, then 2 integer 3 by 4 will get, it lies between 2 and 3, because up to 0, from 0 to already whole numbers, then next part 3 by 4 lies in between, and 4 is the denominator. So 1, 2, 3, 4 divisions are here. Then after this here 2, then how many means from here 2 divisions and then next 3 divisions, that is 11 upon 4 we will get here. I hope you understood well. So rational number between two rational numbers. Children, there are two methods in this to find the rational numbers between. One is mean method. Mean in the sense, two rational numbers are giving, just add them and divide it by 2. Or half of the sum of the given two rational numbers is nothing but the rational number in between. Here with an example, this is the first method, that is mean method usually it is called. Here 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 2 are the two rational numbers given here. I want to find the rational number which lies in between. So here half, you can observe, that is half of the sum of given two rational numbers is the rational number in between. Here half into, when we get the LCM of this 6 we will get, then 2 is 2 and here 3, then 5 by 6, then 1 into 5 is 5, 2 into 6 is 12, 5 by 12 is the rational number which lies between 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. Then in the same way, if you want to find one more rational number between these two, then add these two and divide it by 2. In the same way, you want in between, then add these two and divide it by 2. In the same way, so many rational numbers you can list out. So there is no end for the numbers which are lying between any two rational numbers. Method 2 means it is LCM method. We have to find, or in simple words, we have to make the denominator of given rational numbers equal by finding the LCM here. So here 2 by 6 and 3 by 6 here. So after that, here see 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. I want to find rational numbers in between these two. So 1 by 3 into 2 by 2 means nothing but 2 by 6, here 3 by 6. Again I am not getting any rational numbers in between. Even you can use this mean method also, or find it by LCM method. In this way you can find rational numbers in between. Over. Okay children, today I want to conclude my lesson here. I taught you the properties of rational numbers and how to represent rational numbers on number line and how to find the rational numbers in between. So homework for you is take your own two rational numbers and then find rational numbers in between by mean method. Even you can represent them on number line and do the homework completely. Okay, take care, bye bye.